Let's wrap this thing up, then I can let you guys go. Okay, let me share my screen with you. Oops, my bad. Okay, there we go. Right. Let us then begin with question 15, right? Determine the answer to the following percentage problems. And again, you guys can use your calculators, all right? So, what is 63% of 406? What is 68% of 406? Somebody tell me. Is that correct? Do we all agree? Let's see. Let's calculate it together. We are saying 0.68 times 406. What do we get? I'm getting 276.08. Okay. All right. So that should then be our answer. Okay, so this should be equals to 276.08. Thank you very much, Cream. And I think somebody else just also entered that. Yes. Yeah, ne? Yeah, it's a Friday, ne? It's a Friday. It's a Friday. It's understandable, man. Okay, let me just switch colors. See what you guys are saying on the chat there. Yes. Can you imagine, Lekonolo? All right. Let's go on. 104 as a percentage of. So here we're just going to say 104 as a percentage of 371. What do we get? Somebody tell me. The sooner we finish, the sooner I let you go. 28%.03. Is that what we are getting? Yes, that's what I get. 28.03%. Is that what someone else is getting? Yes, if you round it off to the nearest percentage. Yes. So then the next one is 23% of as a decimal fraction. We know that percentage is always out of 100. So basically we're saying 23 divided by 100. That's basically what we are saying. 23 divided by 100. What does that give us as a decimal fraction? 0.23. Okay. Yes, it is 0.23. 0.23. Let me change this to it. Okay. Then what is 12.5% as a fraction? Again, we are saying 12.5 divided by 100. Okay, I see there's a flood of answers coming in. 1 divided by 8. Yes, you guys have simplified it. It certainly is. When you then put this into its simplest form, it's going to be 1 divided by 8. Okay, as a fraction, 100%. Okay, then 4 over 50 as a percentage. 4 over 50 as a percentage. We are then saying 4 divided by 50 times 100. That's how we get it into a percentage. And that is 8%. Yes, 100% right, because here we go, we cancel that, and we say 50 into 100, we get 2. 2 times 8, we get 8%. Okay, and then the next one, we say 0.37 as a percentage. What is that? It's 37%. Because this is already, you can see, it's already the same as saying out of 100, because this is tens and this is then hundreds. Okay, so it's like saying 37 divided by 100. Okay, which then gives us 37%. Then the last one, all right, for 15, says what is the value of x if 23% of x is 207? What is the value of x if 23% of x is 207? Here you're going to use proportion. We're saying 23% x is equals to 207. What we want is x. All right, so then we are saying, how do we get rid of this? Okay, this is the same as saying, can say this is the same as saying 0.23 times x, I'm going to just put that in bracket, is equals to 207. So if we want to find out what x is, we need to get rid of this 0.27. So here we can divide by 0.27, 23. And here we divide by 0.23. Okay, so that we have x. So now I'm just going to erase this to make it look neater. And there you go. Okay, and I believe someone already has the answer for me. 900. Yes, Tony, the answer is 900. 900. Okay, 900 is your answer. That's what we want. Okay, awesome stuff. Okay, so we're now at 16. It says determine the answer to the following percentage problems. Okay. Okay. Let me just let's try this one out. Okay, a car is traveling at 185 kilometers per hour and then increases the speed to 115 kilometers per hour. What is the percentage increase in speed? Ish, guys, how do we calculate this one? First, we need to find out the difference between the new speed and the initial speed. Okay, this was the initial speed and this is the new speed. Okay, so we then say 115 minus 85, okay, gives us, that should be 30. Okay, 30 divided by 85. Remember, we want to find the percentage increase from the initial speed. Okay, what do we get? Somebody tell me. Did someone switch on their mics? You can talk. I don't mind.
35.3, sir.
All right, thank you very much, Tony. 35.3. Tony, I believe you finally got your student card situation sorted.
Long story, sir.
Okay. All right. I shall ask no further questions then. No problem. All right, but I'm glad to hear you are online. All right, awesome stuff. Okay, so 35.3. All right, 35.3% is our answer over there. Then we can move on to the next one. Woo. I'm not getting the same. Okay, so the answer book is wrong then. Because It is
So there's
indeed.
an error in the answer book. They put 20 instead of 30.
Yeah, they put 20 instead of 30. So yeah, I was just going to reassure us that we are indeed correct. The answer book is wrong. So thank you for that as well. Okay, awesome stuff. Let's proceed, gentlemen and ladies. Okay, so the next question, they are asking us a laptop that originally cost 8,999.99 cents now costs 7,999.99 cents. What is the percentage decrease in the price of the laptop? Again, we use the same process. We say, okay, what is the difference between the initial and the new price? Okay, so we have 8,999.99 minus 7,999.99. Okay, there's no dot here, sorry. All right, divided by the initial 0.99. Somebody tell me what is the percentage change. And here you could even just, if you wanted just to do it all at once, you could say times 100. Okay, so we can just do that, put that in brackets to make our lives easier. Okay. What's the answer there? Somebody tell me. I think that's 1,000 divided by 8,999.99. Okay, times 100, that should give us, my bad, nope. I'm getting 11%. What are you guys getting? Okay, 11.11%. Okay. I'm sure if I did mine to two decimal place, I should get the same thing. All right. Thank you very much, Cameron. Okay, but you're 100% right. 100% right. Okay, so then the next one, let's see. What are they asking us on the next one? Next one, you say you agree to do a job for a customer for a fee of 55,000. She is particularly impressed with your work and decides to pay you a bonus of 6%. Bonus of 6% on your initial fee. How much does the customer pay you for your job? Okay, so the cost is 55,000. Okay, and then they give us plus 6%. Okay, so another way you can do it, if you want to be fast, let me just hear what's being said in the chat. All right, Tony, you already have the answer. Let me just see. Another way you can do it is you can say this is already 100%. Okay, this is already 100%. We want a plus 6%. So you can say 106, all right, divided by 100, because that's 100, times 55. Because the 55 is 100, okay? Then what do we get? Okay, let me punch that. Let's do it on the screen so you guys can see as well. 106 divided by 1. Okay, times 55. Aha, so Tony, thank you very much. You are 100% right. 58,300. Okay, there you go. 58,300. Okay. All right, then the last one for 16. In order to attract a new customer, you agree to do a job for him at an 11% less than the fee that you normally charge. Okay, if the fee you normally charge is 37,500, how much are you charging the new customer? Okay, all right, so this is less. All right, so here we are, we're saying 35, Sorry, not 35, 37. I hear something there in the chat, 500. Okay, with 11%. So this is 100% again. It's 100%. What we want is 11% discount. I say here's something there in the chat. I'm going to turn to you guys now. Just want to illustrate this. I know you guys have the answer. Bunch of geniuses. All right, cool. So minus 11%. This will obviously take us to 89%. All right, that's what we want to find out. Okay, let me see what you guys are saying there in the chat. Okay, yeah, as I suspected, you've already answered. Okay, let me just see if you guys are right. So again, what we want is the 89%, but what we have is the 100%, which is this 37,500. Okay, right. All right, then let's punch that in the calculators real quick. It's the same as saying 0.89 times 37500. And voila. Were you guys correct? I believe so. 100% you guys were correct. Okay, cool. All right, so happiness over there, we all have 33,375 as our answer. Then the last question, there are 3 female employees for every 5 male employees in a company or in an organization. So let's quickly put that ratio down. You can already tell that that's going to be important. Okay, you can already tell that's going to be important. So we say 3 females for every 5 males, okay, in the organization. That's the ratio. If there are 250 males, 250 males, how many females are there? How many females are there? Okay, how many females are there? All right, so once again, we use this this ratio. Okay, we use this ratio. How do we use this ratio? We simply say for every 3 is equal to 5. Okay, so then we ask ourselves, if 3 is equals to 5, okay, then what is, question mark, what is 250 equal to? Okay, so what we want is the 250. Okay, I heard something in the chat, I'll check now, but what we have is the 5. Okay, let's see what you guys are saying in the chat. You say 150, Tony? Let's see if Tony is correct. Okay, times the 3. Okay, so then this divided is equal to 1, and then divided into there, you get 5 over here, 50 times 3, and voila, get 150 females. Okay, so thank you, Mr. Tony. You are 100% correct. Thank you, class at large. I hope you have enjoyed the session. If anybody has any questions on any question that we did, please just remain behind and you can ask me. But to the rest of you, Deshaun and everybody else, you may begin to enjoy your weekend. You may begin to enjoy your weekend. Yes, fortunately, Blackboard was behaving itself, eh? VC Learn was behaving itself. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I will enjoy my weekend as well. Okay, take care, guys.
Sir,
No problem. Yes.
because I don't know unless if I. So is this the same workbook that you sent the other day?
Yes, it's the same workbook.
Unless if I don't know if I printed because I didn't the exercise. My exercise start from what 14.1.